video I am going to take you through mainly three things. One is how to back up your data from the old, and then also how to restore it into the new AMIS after you've installed it. That will be for both Senior 4 and Senior 3. I'll also take you through how to uninstall the old AMIS and then install the new AMIS. And then finally I'll take you through the minor changes you might expect in the new AMIS system. So let's get started. First, we are going to look at how to back up your data. So if this is your old AMIS, for Senior 4 you will go under UCE. For Senior 4 you go under UCE, click there, then you go to the last option, which is Submit to Excel, then you click there. And then when you do that, you're going to fill these particulars here. Now when you fill and click Load, you will see this interface come here. Then after, you go and click Export to Excel. And then when you click Export, it will give you a chance to save. So save this in a location where you know. I'm going to call it Senior 4 Data. Give it any name of your choice and then save it in any location that you can get. And after selecting the location, you click Save. In that way, I have backed up the Senior 4 record so I can use it. I'll show you that later. And then for Senior 3, you come under Continuous Assessment, then still go to the last option, which is Submit to Excel, and then you click, you fill here all the particulars as you see here. You select the class, which is Senior, and then you go to the term, which we are now in term 2, and then you come down here and load. And when you load, it will bring the data, the details. It will bring here all those details of the learners you registered for Senior 3, and then you also come down here and export to Excel. And then here you can give it a name of your choice. I'll call it Senior 3 Data, and then save it in a location you can get, in the location you know. Then you click Save. So in that way, I have exported or backed up my data, which I can now use it in the new system. So that's how you do it. And then now, how to uninstall this old one such that you install the new one. You come here at Start button, there is Type here to search area. You click there and type Control Panel. When you start typing Control, you will see Control Panel here. You click on it, and when it loads, this is how it looks like. So you will go in this space, the last where there are programs. Don't click on Program. Instead, click down where it said Uninstall a Program. So you click there, and after clicking there, it will bring all the list of programs installed in your computer. You only scroll to the one you want to uninstall, which is AMIS. You right click on it and then select Uninstall. When you click Uninstall, they ask you, are you sure you want to uninstall? You click Yes. The process will continue until the program is uninstalled from your computer. So now you're ready to install a new one. This is now how you can have the new AMIS installed. If you've got the CD or you have the app like this, you can open it, and then after you go to the one called Setup and right click on it, and then you can run as administrator, and then you click Yes, and the process will begin. So me, I've already installed, I'll not do it, but as the process begins, it will bring some prompts, so you read it through and click Next accordingly, and then the AMIS, the new AMIS, will be installed. So having installed the new AMIS, the next step here is to restore your data that you backed up from the old one. So I'm going to start with the Senior 4. The one of Senior 4, you still come to Utilities, and then for Senior 4 you use Import UCE Data, this first option. So when you click on it, it will load and then bring for you a different menu, as you're going to see. So the menu will look like this. So you come up here to load the candidates from Excel, you click on it, and then you should remember the location where you saved it at first when you're backing up. So mine, I saved it here, and it is here, Senior 4 data. You click on it and then you open. Now when you open, it is going to load and bring here, but before you continue you must save the record before you continue. So you click on save. It will take some time, but then after it is saved, it will bring here data saved successfully. Then you click OK. So your data for Senior 4 has been restored into the new AMIS. Then for Senior 3, you still come to utilities, but go to the last option, which is import CA data. So you click on it, and then you still load from Excel and go to look for Senior 3 data, and then when it loads and finish, you present like this and also click save records. So now you have your data, and you can go ahead and enter the achievements, the scores, as you're supposed to. Now there are a few things you may note that minor changes might come. For example, the competencies may change. Either the number of competencies may either increase or reduce depending on the subject. So therefore, in that case, when you import data like this, there are chances that some columns will be blank, so it might require you to fill it again because of the difference in the competencies between the old system and this new one. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, subscribe for more interesting videos like this, and also hit the notification bell such that you'll be notified when the next video is posted.